All right, let's do a quick unboxing. This is the Standing Seam Roof Anchor Stay Safe Combo with the cup tip SSRA1. So first of all, you're going to get the SSRA1 Seam Anchor, 12 non-penetrating set screws. That includes a 3/16 Allen bit that's going to fit these set screws. The D-ring's included, 2 top bolts for the D-ring. You've got an owner's manual and you have a D-ring owner's manual. That's going to fit about 95% of today's standing seam panels. And with the cup tip set screws, this is intended for 22 gauge steel. We do have another version that includes nylon tip set screws for 24 gauge steel, and I'll cover that in another video. But with this combo kit, you get the Malta Dynamics B2002 Warthog harness. So great all-around construction harness with tongue buckle, dual lanyard keepers, and a dorsal D-ring. You get a Malta Dynamics C7050. This is a 50-foot vertical lifeline. What's great about this rope is it connects into your anchor. You have 50 feet of rope. You have a rope grab built in with a lanyard, with a shock absorber, and another carabiner, and this is going to go connect to the dorsal D-ring on your harness. So you have everything you need. You're going to attach to the roof. You have your full body harness, 50-foot lifeline, rope grab, shock absorber, pretty much everything you need to stay safe on the roof. Another bonus that's included in this kit is the trauma straps. So the trauma straps connect to your harness. If you ever free fall and you're suspended in your harness, it is extremely painful and it is very dangerous. As you know, you can have the blood circulation cut off through the femoral arteries because of the pressure on your legs. And this trauma strap allows you to be able to stand up in your harness and take that load off of your legs to keep the circulation going until you can be rescued. So a very important little piece of equipment here that is included in this kit. Couple install tips. When you're working on standing seam and you're installing these non-penetrating set screws, we don't want to over tighten those. It is okay to initially snug those set screws up on the seam using a screw gun, but you want to make sure that you have it on a clutch setting, not on drill. You don't want to over tighten them. You just want to snug them up. And if you're working on low seams, like a 1-inch seam, we do recommend using a flex bit that lets you get your drill, lay your drill down close to the panels and you can get lined up with the set screws. One thing you don't want to do is use an impact gun. The impact gun can quickly over tighten those set screws and cause big problems. So avoid an impact gun. Screw guns are okay. To do the final torque setting, you're going to want to use a micro torque wrench that reads into inch pounds. On this particular setup with the cup tips, you're going to be around 90 to 100 inch pounds will be sufficient on 22 gauge steel. So if you have any questions about this kit, the harness, the anchor, the trauma straps, or the C7050 Vertical Lifeline, hit us up on live chat or give us a call. We're happy to answer all your questions. Thank you.